First, remove the light bulb's cover. Then with a flathead screwdriver, remove the bulb's retaining screw. Pull the handle, unplug the power, and remove the light bulb assembly. Inspect the bulb for damage or dirt and set it safely aside. Using a torx screwdriver, remove all 4 screws from the base of the unit. Due to the emergency nature of this particular repair, for this video I am using a flathead screwdriver to remove all the torx screws. Using a very small flathead screwdriver, pry the tabs holding the front face of the projector and lift off over the lens. There are 2 tabs in the front holding the 2 halves of the case together. Gently pry them while pulling the top half away. Then remove both gray sides, which are now loose. Lift the top of the case partially while swinging it to the side away from the lens. There is a ribbon cable that can now be released using a non-metallic tool. Now, using your torx screwdriver, remove the 4 screws that hold the lens and circuits to the base of the projector. Before removing the base, unplug the 3 fan cables and unplug the other black cable that is bundled with them. Remove the fan assembly and lift the whole unit off the base. Using the same torx screwdriver, remove the 6 screws holding the power circuitry board to the unit. Also, pull off the plug that powers the bulb. The components on this board are high voltage and you are advised not to touch any conductive areas of the board, especially the capacitor. Lift the power circuitry board off the unit. You can see this one has suffered a catastrophic failure resulting in these components bursting. This board will need to be replaced. If you have your replacement ready, then reassembly is just the reverse of disassembly, which I will quickly run through now. Mount the new power circuitry board with the 6 torx screws. Replace the light bulb plug. Set the unit back onto the base. Replace the fan assembly. Plug all 4 connectors back in. Replace the 4 torx screws holding the unit to the base. Set the top cover on the unit and replace the ribbon cable securely. Replace the gray side pieces and close the top cover, snapping it into the tabs at the front. Replace the front cover by attaching it to the side and swinging it around the lens, then snapping it into place. Turn it upside down and screw the 4 torx screws into the base. Return the light bulb assembly to the compartment, remembering to attach the electrical and tighten the screw. Snap the light bulb's cover back on and you're all done.